3-87 on page 90 of the mechanical drawing textbook. You'll see we're going to draw this armature support, and if you take a good look at this drawing, there are a number of circles here that we need to draw. These inner circles, you have two inner circles with a 1-inch diameter, and that two holes tells you that there's two of them with 1-inch diameter, this one on the left and this one on the right. This circle here has a 2 1/8 inch diameter, and this outer arc, you'll notice in all the drawings, when you have an arc, all the dimensions for arcs or fillets are going to be in radius, and when you have true circles, complete circles, all the dimensions will give you a diameter specification. So that's to let you know the difference in the two, why they do that. This arc over here on this corner will be 1 3/4 radius. We're going to use a combination of the circle tool and the trim tool to do this drawing. So I'm going to come over. I'll draw a circle anywhere, 1-inch diameter circle to start. I'm going to work my way from left to right. And I'm going to right mouse click and select D for diameter and type in 1. Now I'm going to make this another circle to represent this arc, which has a 1 3/4 inch radius. I'm going to snap to that center point O snap. They have the same center point. I'm going to type in 1 3/4 or 1.75. Either one will work. Now I need to locate these other circle center points from these two center points, and you'll see that I've got a 6-inch measurement from the center points of these two circles, and of course that means this center one's going to be half that, or 3 inches away. So I'm going to go ahead and make a line. I'm going to go ahead and type in at 3, 0. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and make another line. Another 3-inch line. And now I can come and make these circles. I have one a 2 1/2 inch radius, so I can go ahead and make that 2 1/2 inch. And I have my one in the middle is, what did I say, 2 1/8 inch diameter. So this one is going to be right mouse click, select diameter, and it's going to be 2-1/8. Again, you can type in fractions, but make sure you use a dash to separate the whole number from the fraction. And then of course I can finalize these circles up. Right mouse click, select diameter. This was 1 inch, and then this was 1 3/4 radius. Now what I need to do, if you'll notice in this drawing, I've got a straight line connecting these right here. We can use the quadrant tool to snap a line from the top of these two outer circles and the bottom of those two outer circles. So I come down to O snap and I make sure that my quadrant O snap tool is selected, which it is. I click the line tool, and I want to come and I locate that yellow diamond that indicates the quadrant O snap, and I click it, and I move all the way over to the quadrant, 12 o'clock quadrant of my outer circle. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat for the bottom, and now it's just a matter of trimming it up and centering the drawing. So I'm going to select the trim tool. I need to select a couple of objects here with my left mouse button and right mouse click to activate it, and I need to get rid of this piece. It's not working for me. Hold on just a second, let me fix this. Okay, I'm back. I got the trim tool, and I'm going to select this circle, that line, and this circle, right mouse click. I'm going to delete these lines that I don't need. Whoops, wrong one. I don't know why it wasn't working for me before, but I think I finally got it working. I'm going to select the trim tool, right mouse click, and I should be able to delete the pieces that I no longer need to make it look like the one in the picture. Click, and now I have to select this one and delete it. Now I simply have to make my squares so I can center. Actually, I'm sorry, I got to go all the way to the center. I have got to go to get this completely centered, I have to go all the way to the top. Now I can center it. Click the Move tool. And delete what I don't need. Make sure you change your description to read Armature Support. Save it as your first initial last name 3-87.